As an instructor at Mindoro State University, I actively participate in our institution's corporate social responsibility or CSR initiatives through extension programs conducted in different communities across the province of Oriental Mindoro. And these programs are part of our commitment to serve not only within the classroom, but also beyond the university by addressing what are the real needs of the community. Some of the CSR initiatives I have been involved include mangrove tree planting, coastal cleanup drives, outreach programs for indigenous communities, reading programs for schools, research writing workshops, and capability training. The initiatives aim to promote environmental awareness, support education, enhance research skills, and empower communities through knowledge and practical training. In our organization, these CSR activities are communicated through a structured and collaborative process. First, our university, through the Extension Office, identifies community needs in coordination with local government units, partner schools, and community leaders. Once a program is planned, information is disseminated to faculty members through official channels such as meetings, memoranda, emails, and group chats. As an instructor, I receive these communications and decide how I can contribute based on my experience. So, for example, in reading programs and research writing workshops, I apply my background in knowledge and research instruction. During the implementation phase, coordination continues through team meetings and digital communication platforms. This is to ensure that all activities are organized and aligned with the program objectives. And after each activity, the documentation and reporting are also communicated within the organization. We submit reports, photos, and reflections which are compiled by the Extension Office. This process ensures that all CSR efforts are properly recorded, evaluated, and improved for future programs. Through this system of communication, our CSR initiatives become more organized, collaborative, and impactful. As an instructor, I see these extension programs not only as service activities but also as opportunities to apply my knowledge, contribute to community development, and of course, to strengthen the connection between the university and the society.